Hello friends of YouTube, welcome to a new video. Has it happened to you that your inverter air conditioner shows an error code and you don't know what to do? Well, don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you how you can disassemble the external unit to check it and how you can remove the entire card. In case the damage is very serious and you have to take it to the technical service center, the procedure you are seeing is for an OLIMPO inverter air conditioner, but it will work for any brand of inverter air conditioner. As you can see, the first part is easy since it is removing the air covers in the same way as a conventional air, starting with the top cover, then the cover, the rear grille and the side cover. Let's see. Okay friends, now let's continue. The next step is to remove all the cables that stick out from the card to other parts of the air. We start by removing the screw from the ground cables, then we are going to remove the sensors such as the external ambient sensor, the condenser outlet temperature sensor, which is a pipe-type sensor located at the bottom of the same, the compressor discharge temperature sensor, which is also a pipe type but is held with a metal sheet, and we will see it when we uncover the compressor lining, and finally the bimetallic type thermal protector, which is inside the compressor terminal cover. This last one is easier to remove from the card connector, so for this we are going to remove the top cover of the same. Let's see. Okay friends, now that we can see the electronic card, here we can check for any defect in the form English visual. At least this one had the large capacitors burst and the IPM module that controls the speed of the DC fan motor, or also called BLDC motor. To finish removing the entire card, just remove the power cable from the connector motor on it and the three terminals U, V and W that are marked on the electronic card, and each one indicates a specific cable color, and there we will have the card. In our hands, let's see. Finally, we must do the reverse procedure, which I will show you in detail below. At this point, what I want to tell you is that if you are liking the video, leave me a like, share it with your friends, and if you are not subscribed, stop the video for a moment. Subscribe and activate the notification bell so you do not miss our next releases. With these steps, you will be helping us a lot, and we will continue to be motivated by making content of increasingly better quality and free for you.